Welcome back to Ashok Educational Groups. Second PUC Chemistry reduced syllabus. Reduced syllabus. Shall see now because 30% of the syllabus have been reduced for 2020 and 21. So we want to know which is deleted and which is retained. A retained syllabus, a retained portion will come for the exam and deleted one won't come. We don't want to read. We shall see unit wise. First unit, the solid state. In a solid state, most of the lesson have been retained. Point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Deleted portion in this lesson. Electrical and magnetic properties, band theory of metal conductors, semiconductors and insulators, and N and P type semiconductors. So this one is deleted. Don't read. And second unit, from second unit solutions, retained point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and deleted is deleted one. Abnormal molecular mass won't have factor. So this one don't read. From third unit, electrochemistry, retained most of the lesson. Point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the deleted one is lead accumulator, fuel cells, and corrosion, law of electrolysis, elementary ideas, dry cell, electronic cell, galvano cells. From unit 4, chemical kinetics, retained point 1, 2, 3, 4. And the deleted is concept of collision theory, elementary idea, no mathematical treatment. Activation energy, Arrhenius equation is deleted. This one is deleted portion. From unit 5, surface chemistry, retained point 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Fifth one is deleted. Deleted portion. Emulsion, type of emulsion, catalysis, homogeneous and heterogeneous, activity and selectivity of solid, catalysts, enzyme catalysis. Deleted. So don't read. From unit 6, general principles and process of isolation elements. From this whole lesson have deleted entire unit. No need to read. Unit 6, entire unit is deleted. From unit 7, the P block elements, retained most of the lesson have retained. The deleted portion C, preparation and properties of phosphine, sulfuric acid, industrial process of infrastructure, oxide of nitrogen, structure only, phosphorus, allotrophic form, compounds of phosphorus, preparation and properties of halides, oxide acids, elementary ideas only. So this one only deleted. From unit 8, the D and F elements, retained portion most of the part, point 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 4, 6 not there. See, 4, 6. Deleted portions here. See, chemical reactivity of lanthanoids, actinoids, electronic configuration, oxidation states and comparison with lanthanoids, preparation and priorities of KMnO4 and K2CR207. This deleted. From unit 9, coordination compounds, retained most of the lesson. Point 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 4 not there. Deleted. 4 is deleted here. So deleted portion, structure and stereoisomerism, Importance of coordination compounds in qualitative analysis, extraction of metals and biological system. So this one deleted, don't read. From unit 10, haloalkanes and halorenes. Retained 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So deleted is uses and environmental effects of dichloromethane, trichloromethane, tetrachloromethane, idioforms, freons, DDT. These are deleted, don't read. From unit 11, alcohols, phenols, ethers. Retained 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 6, fifth one deleted. Uses of special reference to methanol and ethanol. Special reference to ethanol and methanol. Deleted. From unit 12, aldehydes, ketones, carbolic acid. From unit 12, whole chapter is retained. Deleted, nothing from this chapter. You have to read whole chapter. From unit 13, amines. Retained most of the chapter, and shall see deleted one is diazonium salts, preparation, chemical reactions and importance in synthetic organic chemistry. This deleted. And unit 14, biomolecules. Retained only 3 points. Carbohydrates, protein and nucleic acids. Deleted is 14. Oligosaccharides, saccharose, sucrose, maltose, foliosaccharides, starch, cellulose, glycogen. Importance of carbohydrate, oligosaccharides, polysaccharides, carbohydrates, vitamins, classification function, enzyme, hormones, elementary ideas, including structure. So these only deleted. From unit 5, polymers, entire chapter is deleted. Don't read. And even 16th unit, chemistry in everyday life, that is also entire chapter, entire unit is deleted. No need to read. Now we shall see practicals. In chemistry, practicals also are there, so you need to see which and all there. From practical, which are retained. First, chromatography. From chromatography, 2 will be there. I think I'll read once. A. Separation of pigments present in the leaves, spinach and flowers, rose, marigold, by paper chromatography and determination of RF value of components. And B. Separation of the constituents of a mixture of inorganic compounds containing 2 quotients, Pb2+ and Cd2+, using chromatographic techniques. And the second one, tetrametric analysis. A. To determine the concentration or molarity of KMnO4 solution to tetranating it against 0.1 m standard solution of oxalic acid. The B1, to determine the concentration or molarity of KMnO4 solution by tetraneting it against standard solution of FAS. And the third, systematic qualitative analysis to detect one caution and one anion in the given salt. To detect. From fourth, tests for functional groups in organic compounds. So tests shall give for test for anesturation, test for alcoholic group, test for phenolic group, test for aldehydes and ketones, test for carboxylic acid, test for amino group. Fifth one, preparation of inorganic compounds to prepare double salt FAS and aluminum. And B, to prepare potassium trioxylaterophorate. Sixth, test for carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Test for carbohydrates, test for oil and fats, test for proteins. And the seventh, reaction between KiO3 and Na2SO3 using starch solution as indicator, clock reaction. And the eighth one, enthalpy of neutralization of strong acid HCl and strong base NaOH. Ninth one, determination of enthalpy change during interaction between acetone and chloroform. 10th one, preparation of acetanilide, preparation of dibenzyl acetone. Now in practicals which are deleted, so that also want to see. In practical, surface chemistry. In surface chemistry, a preparation of one lipophilic and one liophobic lipophilic salt, starch, egg, aluminum and gum, liophobic salt, aluminum hydroxide, phoric hydroxide, arenzo sulfide. B, dialysis of salt prepared in above. Study of role of emulsifying agents in stabilizing the emulsion of different oils. C, chemical kinetics. C, thermochemical, any one of following experiment. D, electrochemistry, variation of cell potential Zn2 plus or Cut plus Cu with a change in concentration of electrolytes. G, preparation of organic compounds. P, nitroacetonilide, aniline yellow or 2-naphthol aniline dye. So these are retained and deleted portion. Retained and deleted portion. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more notifications.